To fix your Instagram login error on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open your Instagram. As you see, when your settings of your phone, and when it's opening, go to apps, and on apps you will scroll down and you will look for Instagram. As you see, I found Instagram. Now what I can do, I will just go to storage and I will click clear data, then I will click OK, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.